Microsoft Azure is used by millions of customers across the globe. So what are the key benefits that you need to be aware of when using Microsoft Azure? The first and probably overused benefit is cost efficiencies. And there's so many opportunities to have for driving down costs in using Azure. But it's maybe not as obvious as you think. Certainly if you just pick up a load of VMs and shift them to Azure, you might actually find it's less cost efficient and you're actually costing yourself more money by migrating to Azure. So it's all around architecting for the platform. A really great example is the pay-per-use transactional model. So where you've got non-production systems like test and dev, disaster recovery, you're only paying for when you use them. So from a test and dev perspective, if you only use it a few days a month, then you can really drive some cost efficiencies by using automation. But there's a wide range of services, and if you make sure you architect for the right services, for using a database on a database service rather than building your own server, you can make some massive savings using Azure. Another benefit of using Azure is you get access to the latest technology. Microsoft really use Azure as the seeding ground to bring out new tech, exciting stuff. So everything from Windows Virtual Desktop to the new SQL Server functionality, Azure is the place to be to get access to the latest technology. Azure spans the globe across 60 different geographical regions. So if you're a business that wants to trade or deliver services, IT, software to different customers and users around the world, you've got access to a wide range of services and capabilities you could launch in China, Australia, Germany. Everywhere around the globe is at your fingertips to access new markets. Scalability is a big benefit of Azure. The capability to have all that resource at your fingertips, but you only need to start really small and you can really expand and contract to meet new requirements or demands on your company. Azure's also really easy to manage. Microsoft has done a great job around the user consoles and thought really about the business user. So if you start playing with an Azure account or starting to use the services within Azure, you'll pick it up really quickly, and there's loads of learning resources at Microsoft Learn to start you on that process of learning and consuming the Azure services. And the final benefit is that Azure have got some very strong SLAs around services and some great security accreditation. So you know you've got a secure and dependable platform to build your applications and to transform your company, having that certainty that you're backed by some really solid, robust processes and services.